Mm-mm. That's some good chicken. Oh, hey. I didn't know you guys were coming today. Sorry. Caught me eating. I just grilled up some chicken wings on the griddle, on the Blackstone, and some veggies. Mm-mm-mm. So good. I guess that's not why you're here. You should be, but oh well. What do we got? We got some beer. Let's get drunk. Hi, Raja. No, you cannot have my wings or the beer. Sorry, distracted by a cat. Um, no, no, that's not yours. And the veggies either. Okay, Firestone, which is one of my favorite brands, local here. This is their 2022 Gold Rider Vintage number 01. Blended ale aged in cognac barrels and orange bitters barrels with fresh lemon juice. And this is one of their proprietors, or whatever they call these special proprietors vintage series. They're barrel aging. I do near here in Buellton, and they experiment with wild yeasts. They do it in Buellton so that the wild yeast strains don't get loose in their main brewery in San Luis Obispo, or wherever they are, up the hill there. Inspired by the sidecar cocktail. Yeah, we brewed a base beer with an infusion of Central Coast white wine juice. After fermentation, we aged the beer in 500-liter French Cognac barrels for 2 years, with a separate portion matured in orange bitters barrels. Finally, we incorporated a touch of fresh squeezed lemon juice to elevate the experience. Ooh. So, their barrel aging is awesome. Oh. Raja's the neighbor's cat who likes to hang out because I have chicken wings. My cat is at the door screaming because I'm out here without her. You know what? I'm probably gonna need a bottle opener. I can't think of everything. You guys gotta help me some. Make sure the cat doesn't get my wings. Matter of fact. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, y'all. I killed that wing, but it gave its life for a better cause. Man, that's good. What do we got here? IBU, only 27 IBUs, so it's not going to be hoppy, which I didn't expect. I only did 1,100 cases, I think. Maybe 1,400. It's tiny print. 11% alcohol, which is another good reason to like Firestone. Ooh, I smell the lemon. Maybe some bitters, maybe some cognac. It's oh, just look at that color. That's one of the prettiest caramel pours I've seen. Not a lot of fizz, well, a little bit of fizz. There's a ton of bubbles going on inside there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's very, very fizzy. Now for the benefit of those of you with flash photography. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful color. And I'm getting the lemon and the bitters and the little bit of cognac. Getting the barrels as strongly as the lemon smells. It's not attacking my tongue. It's there, but just it's incredibly balanced, like most things they do. The brew itself, that's the base of this concoction, is very muted. Let me rephrase that. Very mellowed from the barrel aging. Can pick up the cognac and the bitters. The lemon's just in the background. They didn't overdo it. It was lemon peels, right? Or lemon juice, yeah. The beer itself is so subtle. And with all the other flavors, it's normally I can pick up what their base brew is and something like this, but this time it's just part of the concoction. It's not standing out. It's just really, really mellow, man. It's good. The lemon's starting to come through a little bit more now, or maybe the bitters. I'm looking for their barrel-aged brews, and any really good brew or barrel-aged or good brews change a little bit as they warm and breathe. I'm actually looking forward to what this tastes like. Right now it's a 4-star, I think. Hello, lizard. Yeah, a good 4. And as it warms and the flavors mature, it may go up, it may go down, who knows. But it's a thumbs up. Oh, that's it. A winner of a brew from Firestone, another winner. It's not up there with the Sukaba, which is by far their best brew. If you get a chance to try it, do so. It is simply amazing. It's maybe my favorite all time. But move my food now that the cat's not trying to sneak my chicken. It's going to go good with chicken wings too, and the veggies. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Cheers!